Little storyteller.
Nibbles the hamster was a very busy little fellow with soft brown fur and bright, curious eyes. His cage was his workshop, filled with fluffy bedding, a spinning wheel, and lots of cardboard tubes he loved to chew and rearrange. Today, Nibbles had a grand idea. "Wee!" he squeaked, which in hamster language meant, "I will build something amazing." Nibbles started pushing and pulling the cardboard tubes. Some were long and straight, others short and curved. He used tiny pieces of sticky tape, which he found near his water bottle, to stick the tubes together. It was tricky work for his little paws, but Nibbles was determined. He hummed a happy little hamster tune as he worked. Slowly but surely, a winding track began to take shape. It went up high near his food bowl and swooped down low near his cozy sleeping corner. Nibbles even added a little loop-de-loop. He tapped it with his nose to make sure it was sturdy. Squeak, squeak. He chattered happily, admiring his creation. Now Nibbles needed something to ride on his amazing track. He scurried over to his seed stash and picked out a nice, round sunflower seed. It was the perfect size. Gently, he placed the seed at the top of his cardboard coaster. "Wee! Down we go!" he squeaked excitedly. The sunflower seed zoomed down the track, around the curves, and even went upside down in the loop-de-loop. Nibbles watched with wide, joyful eyes as it reached the bottom. "Squeak! Squeak!" he cheered. It worked. His miniature roller coaster was a success. Nibbles pushed the seed back to the top and sent it down again and again. He was so proud of his creation. He learned that even small paws can build big and fun things with a little bit of trying and some imagination. And just like Nibbles used tape to hold his coaster together, sometimes we need to stick with our ideas even when they seem a little wobbly at first.
Please subscribe. Thank you.